Morning, everybody. We're out here at the shop. Saturday's a day for maintenance. I'm gonna be redoing the AC on this system, putting a new dryer accumulator and a couple of sensors, see if that helps it run better. Can't get the engine fan to kick on right away, or when it, the high pressure builds up. So we're thinking it's the high pressure sensor. Go ahead and swap that out and see if that helps.
We decided to go ahead and clean out the air box, HVAC box, while the system was depressurized. We had a feeling it was dirty. You can tell in this clip right here, it is dirty. It wasn't blowing as hard as we think it should have, and sure enough, the recirculation, fresh air, was stuck open, and it was letting all of that outside dirt in. If you can get that evaporator out without disconnecting your lines, you'll save yourself a bunch of headache. Because most of the time, the lines on that expansion valve are seized, rusted in place. It's just a lot easier if you don't disconnect the lines. Blew it all out. Don't forget to clean out your drain hole. You can see the blower motor was full of dirt. Give that a good cleaning. We ended up swapping to a different air gun. This one seems to work a lot better. After you blow out all the dirt, run a little bit of water through it to get any of the remaining residue out. Blowing some air to get some of that water out of there. Then it's time to put it all back together. It's just reverse. Right here I was disengaging that fresh air door. We always run it on recirculation anyways. No need to have that fresh air connected. Make sure you get that temperature probe back in your evaporator. Should help with keeping your evaporator from freezing over. Got it all bolted down, and then it was going to be time to fill it back up with Freon. Make sure you cover up your tubes, guys. Don't want to get no air or dirt inside those air tubes. Zip tie everything back where it went. Start hooking up your AC manifold set. Pulled the vacuum. It was holding good. Right here, we manually turned on the fan. We weren't sure if the binary switch was going to work or not. It was blowing nice and cool. It wasn't cold, but it was cool, definitely cool. And this was the first time we fan kicked on its own. It was kicking on about 275, which I believe is about right. Here it is getting close to 275. You'll see that fan kick on. There it is. Kicked on its own. And that was it.